Hey everybody, welcome to the video. We're gonna get this John Deere loader all serviced up and ready for work. We'll get all the filters changed today along with the oil. That's why I'm happy to tell you guys, today's video is brought to you by Friday Parts. Fix it once and fix it right. This box looks really nicely packed. All right, let's get these parts out of the box. First part is a hydraulic filter. Also have a little air filter right here. We have the other part to our air filter. This would be our oil filter. We got a fuel pump. We have another oil filter. Well, looks like they even sent us a new hat. Thank you, Friday Parts. Friday Parts offers a wide variety of parts with good pricing, great quality, excellent service, and fast shipping. Look at that filter, nice and neatly packed in there. This is a nice sturdy box too. It's not like a lot of the other parts store boxes that just fall apart. This looks like a nice high quality filter. No dents, scrapes, or scratches in it. Now we'll be able to get to our oil and fuel filter, as well as our other filter up front here. Alright, now that we finished up changing all the filters, let's start up this machine and see how it runs. Thank you, Friday Parts, for sending out all the filters we needed for this so we can get it put to work.